Hello everyone. Hope everybody is doing good. Today I am going to discuss about lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery is a secondary battery. The significance of this lithium ion battery is wide range of applications because of its high energy density. Almost all lithium batteries give more than 3 to 3.5 volts of electrical energy. The EMF produced will be very high compared to all other batteries. Why? Because of its lithium anode. Here, lithium, not only in this lithium ion battery, in all lithium cells, lithium acts as anode. The reason for this is, here lithium is having highest oxidation potential in periodic table. So we already mentioned the same point in electrochemical cell. What is the first element in electrochemical series? In electrochemical series, lithium is the first element. Means the highest oxidation potential exists for lithium element. Because of that reason, here by connecting with any cathode with lithium, here we'll get more EMF because lithium is highest oxidation potential element. Here based on this, lithium ion batteries having that much significant. Almost in all high-end electronic gadgets, we can use this lithium ion batteries like laptops, cell phones, etc. Here in this lithium ion battery, we already know this point here, which is a secondary battery. Secondary battery functioning already we discussed in our last previous video. The characteristic of secondary battery is nothing but it can be capable of working as both electrolytic cell as well as electrochemical cell and works through two different cycles, that is discharging and charging. Here also, what is anode, what is, we know that in a cell or a battery is nothing but it is a basic electrochemical cell or several electrochemical cells are connected in series will be function as a battery. Here in this lithium ion battery construction, what is anode, what is cathode, what type of electrolytic solution is used, we have to discuss clearly. In all lithium batteries, here the anode is lithium or else lithium compound. In this lithium ion batteries, anode is lithium intercalated graphite compound is taken as anode. Cathode, lithium metal oxide, lithium transition metal oxide like lithium cobalt oxide, lithium manganese oxide, like metal oxides are taken as cathode. Electrolytic solutions, electrolyte taken is lithium perchlorate, LiCl4, lithium perchlorate, LiPF6, lithium hexafluorophosphate, like solvents are used. Even lithium compounds, electrolyte is also a lithium compound. Generally lithium perchlorate, lithium hexafluorophosphate like substances dissolved in organic solvents like dimethoxyethane, ethylene carbonate like solvents are used as electrolytic solution. Here what we observe from this, anode, cathode, even electrolyte itself taken as lithium compounds. Later we discuss about the reason by taking all these as lithium compounds. Here anode is graphite compound. We know that graphite structure like this, which is having layered structure like this. So I am showing 2 to 3 units of layers like this. This is graphite compound which is having intercalated lithium atoms, lithium intercalated graphite compounds the separation. This is cathode. This is cathode, that is lithium cobalt oxide, like cathode, separator, semi permeable membrane like separator, and of course the electrodes are placed in LiPF6. LiPF6. Here this is lithium intercalated graphite compound, which is taken as anode. LiCOO2, which is cathode. Here both are placed in electrolytic solution. You just assume like this, and both the electrodes are separated with some separator like this. Here in this, what happened? The anode involves in, as we already discussed, during discharging it will be function as electrochemical cell. Here this two cycles happening in the secondary batteries, that is discharging and charging cycle. Discharging cycle. Firstly, here in this discharging cycle, at anode oxidation reaction takes place. So as we already know this, during discharging, lithium ion battery functions as electrochemical cell. The stored chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. During this changes, at anode, here oxidation reaction takes place. At cathode, reduction reaction takes place. Redox reaction means both oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. At anode, oxidation reaction takes place. What is anode here? Lithium intercalated graphite compound. So here we use this symbol for graphite, that is carbon, LiNC. N lithium atoms intercalated in graphite. So involves in oxidation to form lithium atoms plus N electrons plus carbon. At cathode, reduction. The electrons released may migrate towards the cathode through internal circuit. At cathode, reduction reaction takes place. Here, what is the cathode taken? Lithium cobalt oxide. Li plus LiCOO2 plus Ne minus gives rise to, here I am taking N minus 1 number, so that we'll get LiCOO2 plus C. So N minus 1 is just for to equalize the number of moles, that's it. Here N plus N minus 1 will get 1 mole. For that reason I am taking N minus 1. That's it. Okay. So N Li plus Li N minus 1 COO2 plus Ne minus plus C. So lithium cobalt oxide is cathode. Cathode involves in reduction. Right. So what is a resultant reaction here? What is a resultant reaction? LiNC plus anode plus cathode gives rise to, anode plus cathode gives rise to, this one gets cancelled, n electrons gets cancelled, so we'll get resultant LiCOO2 plus carbon. Okay, this is the resultant reaction. Here anode, lithium intercalated graphite compound plus lithium cobalt oxide, which will give product plus EMF. How much EMF is generated? Almost greater than 3 to 3.5 volts of EMF is generated, because all lithium atoms having high energy density, lithium as anode having highest oxidation potential in periodic table as well in electrochemical series, we understood. Here from that the EMF generated is greater than 3 to 3.4 volts. Here this is about lithium ion battery. This is discharging cycle. Here during charging the reversible reactions will be takes place. Means here the reverse of the anodic reaction takes place at cathode. Here the reverse of the anodic reaction takes place at cathode. The reverse of cathodic reaction takes place at anode. So that here by using charging cycle means here it functions as electrolytic cell. By the supplied electrical energy it converted into chemical energy. The chemicals are restored in the cell. Right? So this is discharging cycle. Charging cycle takes place reversibly. So applications, a wide range of applications. Because of that reason we got 2 times Nobel Prize for this invention of lithium ion battery. Here in all high-end battery, high-end electronic watches we use this lithium ion battery. Hope you all understand about this lithium ion battery. Any doubts or comments, please comment below. Thank you all.